And all the way, take a nice video. This is all the way, sir.
Ayan, nagpakita na naman siya.
You want me to open that?
Mount Fuji.
Bakit ngayon na naman? Why every time we're inside the car, the summit, the tip is showing. Ay, dito na sa...
You wait for me to get the nice place. Wait. I know the place where you can get a nice Mount Fuji view.
At the car park, is there a bathroom there? Toilet?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it
I need to change.
sir, is it allowed to have a fishing here in the lake?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you going to have it?
Lake freshwater.
Yes.
Yeah, fresh water. There is a lot of people you can see.
Ice cream, good.
Now you guys try the flavored one, right?
Yes.
In that Shireta Pagoda, there is milk.
Another flavor. Milk.
Oh, we're just going to eat ice cream, no more rice.
Ice cream ulit.
I don't want to eat ice cream.
No, it looks like it.
Nice, so. See?
Pag ako naging presidente ng Pilipinas, ganito gagawin ko.
Sana maging Pilipina president ka.
Magiging digong ako, lahat ng nangungura ko, papapatay ko.
Di ba nga, sabi niya,
Yung anak ni Tita, mag-ano daw siya, mag-congressman sa district ko rin.
Sina?
Oo.
Si JR?
Ay, grabe.
Maglo-lawyer daw siya.
Pag naging lawyer yung inaanak ko, sabi mo, wag niya akong kalimutan.
Pag ako
Naku, palaban yun.
naging ano, wala palang pangtakbo pa.
When the Tokyo Olympics happened, the bicycling race was happen on the road which is we are going. Yeah, and there is a place they have the place they have some memento and all, like cycling could see the thing. So it's all the way cycling track.
Yes, maganda talaga ang Japan.
Yeah.
Wag lang sa Tokyo matotoxic ka doon.
Pahanapin nyo na si Dixie
Sobrang dami na ng tao.
Oh, di ba?
Ano?
Even Tokyo, you can see that a lot of influencers, they just buy the brand new white socks, the socks like the shoe socks, and they walk in the street, and when they come back and check the socks, it's still white. That much
Oh.
clean is it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Yes.
it's so clean. Sabi ko nga, pag namulangot ka, puti eh. Kasi I tried na many times. Sabi ko, i-check ko nga. And then, alam mo na may content ko yun. Pero pwede rin naman makapag-viral.
Kulangot ka kapag.
Di ba sa Philippines, pag nagkulangot ka, itim. Dito mamulangot ka, puti.
You see, we drive, right? We drive the small car in the street, but sometimes it's rainy. Still, sometimes some customer want to drive. It's not really safe on the rainy day, but it's okay to drive because all the water will be go. If it is the Philippines and India, all the dirty water will be. Everyone will be spit, pee. Everything will be there in the street. So here is so clean. It's okay to drive even it's rainy. They don't have problem with
Terrain.
yeah.
Gusto ko may sabaw mamaya.
And I like their, I think, what they call that here, the canal. Their canal is
It's so clear.
So
Yeah.
clear. Their canal.
Ice cream sabaw.
Totoo ba yung yung kanal nila, tas may koi?
Sa, where is that? Osaka?
Yeah.
Not
Where you can find that. Their canal, there's a lot of fish.
That's not here. That's
It's
in,
not here.
It's in might be Osaka,
Nara,
Nara,
like that.
yeah.
Meron din
Kyoto,
siya,
Kyoto,
Osaka, Nara, Kyoto. Magbabas kayo sa Shinjuku.
Where's that Fukuoka?
Fukuoka.
At Fukuoka.
Fukuoka is down south.
Yeah, my classmates there. They got a Japanese family.
First stop for school.
Mag-apply ka na sa next time.
Now get ready for the zigzag road, okay?
30 days.
Ay! Hold on!
Tapos uwi ka bukas. Kinabukasan pwede ka na naman bumalik. Basta nag-exit ka. Pwede kang pag may multiple visa entry ka, mag-buy and sell ka. Para pagpunta mo dito, may dala ka.
Pero bawal ka maghanap ng work, no? Bawal
Pwede
ka mag-work.
naman.
Pwede ka mag-work pero under the table.
That 30 day? No, hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede.
Dapat magkaroon ka ng
Working visa.
Kasi pag
Mag-business
nahuli,
ka na lang. Ay,
pag
Paano
nahuli
kapag
ka,
yung training mo ay 1-8 months?
Here in Japan, for the Europeans, UK,
training yun eh.
Training.
for the European, you can all na
Kasi
teacher
pag
siya,
nahuli ka, huli din ang amo mo. O, di
teacher,
ka may
teacher siya, teacher siya.
buwan ka na.
Tita siya
Is it?
daw.
For Europeans and American, UK, for them to come here in Japan, if you are below 30 years old, you can come with a working holiday visa,
Yes.
and they can work here and they can explore
1 year?
Japan. Yeah, 1 year visa.
Yung
Yeah.
yung sasabi natin. Yung apply ka sa
Ano, 1 year ka pa?
Working holiday visa for the
Yes, nag-apply ako
Europeans
doon.
sa New Zealand.
New Zealand, pero ano lang, 50 lang ata.
seconds lang yung ano.
50 lang ang,
bilis.
ay 100 lang ang tinatanggap nila per year. 100 packs
Ah,
per
so
year in New Zealand.
na ano ka na?
Wala, hindi mo abot sa application.
Ang bilis
Kasi
nila
paunahan,
pakakita.
paunahan siya.
Oh. Pero konti ang tao sa New Zealand.
5 million.
Nandoon yung isang high school classmate ko. Nagkasakit siya.
Nauli ka dito, crushmate.
Classmate. Nagkasakit siya, pero maganda yung health system nila. Wala siyang binabayaran.
Ang binabayaran.
Ano?
Germany is also one of the best.
Oo. Germany.
Tapos yung
magaling.
government nila, least corrupt in the world.
I have 4 colleagues from Germany. They work here.
They are here?
They're
Yes.
working
They
here.
don't want Putin?
Matagal ka muna ng-
Germany, hindi pala. Russia pala si Putin.
My son and daughter-in-law is there in Germany.
They also need a language skills, like a German
Yeah.
language.
They're going to learn language.